How to talk to AI on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat. So if you click on the chat icon or swipe right, then you'll be taken to your chats. And then My AI should be at the very top. And then you can just click on My AI and go ahead and press accept. And once you press it, you can just send a chat as you normally would to other friends as well. So you can just say hello and then send it. And then you'll just get a reply and you can ask it questions, anything you want, and then you can just talk to your AI. So if this is not available to you, go ahead and click on this profile icon at the top left corner and then click on your settings. So if you scroll down and under support, you'll see I need help. So click on that and you'll see My AI at the very end. So click on My AI. So you can just look over here and learn more about AI, and here at the third option there is how do I access My AI on Snapchat. And you can see that it is you just opening your chat screen as I just showed you, but do know that this is just rolling out slowly, so it might not be available to you just yet, and they are making it available to everyone. So you do need to make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. You can do that by going to your Play Store and clicking on Snapchat, and go ahead and click the update button and then make sure that it is updated. So that is how to talk to an AI on Snapchat.